inspire. Sometimes, when you are in a dark place, you think you have been buried, but you are actually being planted. Do not limit your challenges, challenge your limits. Whenever you find yourself doubting how far you can go, just remember how far you have come. Everyone has inside them a piece of good news. The good news is you do not know how great you can be, how much you can love, what you can accomplish, and what your potential is. Some luck lies in not getting what you thought you wanted, but getting what you have, which once you have got it, you may be smart enough to see is what you would have wanted had you known. Do not quit yet. The worst moments are usually followed by the most beautiful silver linings. You have to stay strong. Remember to keep your head up and remain hopeful. When written in Chinese, the word crisis is composed of two characters. One represents danger and the other represents opportunity. Good, better, best, never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. Everyone has inside of them a piece of good news. The good news is you do not know how great you can be, how much you can love, what you can accomplish, and what your potential is. Dreams do not work unless you do. Go the extra mile. It is not crowded there. Keep your face always towards sunshine, and shadows will fall down behind you. What defines us is how well we rise after falling. Hope is kind of hold on because pain will hand and story. Make each day your masterpiece. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Turn your wounds into wisdom. We can do anything we want to if we stick to it long enough. Begin anywhere. Success is no accident, it is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Would you like me to give you a formula for success? It is quite simple, really. Double your rate of failure. You are thinking of failure as the enemy of success, but it is not at all. You can be discouraged by failure or you can learn from it. So go ahead and make mistakes. Make all you can because remember that's where you will find success. Every champion was once a contender that didn't give up. To be a champion, I think you have to see the big picture. It is not about winning and losing, it is about thriving on the challenge. It is about embracing the pain that you will experience once at the end of a race and not being afraid. I think people think too hard and get afraid of a certain challenge. Do not let your do not dream about success. Get out there and work for it. The difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. You can cry, scream, and bang your head in frustration, but keep pushing forward. It is worth it. I hated every minute of training, but I said, do not quit. Suffer now and live in the past. of your life as a champion. Opportunities do not happen, you create them. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Amen.